In this video, we're going to look at a simple way to make money online and from home. Now, this is really simple and really easy to get started with. It's available worldwide. You do not need any skills or any experience to get started with. The only thing that you have to have is age on your side, because you've got to be over 16. So if you're over the age of 16, then you can go ahead and start earning some extra money with this method, and they also pay out weekly. So in this video, I'm going to show you the website, I'm going to show you how to use this, I'm going to show you some examples of this, and basically the whole process just to earn some simple money working from home. So let's go into the video and I'll walk you through this whole process. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to look at a website which is absolutely free to get started with, and what I like about this is it's available worldwide and the rate of pay is pretty good. So let's go ahead and have a look at the website we're talking about today. So this is the website we're looking at. It's called userlytics.com. Now this works in a similar fashion to different videos that we've looked at where you're going to go ahead and test websites. But what I like about this one is this website here, not only are you going to be testing out websites and mobile apps, you're also looking at prototypes on here. Now this is the home page, and this isn't the page that you're going to want to focus on, but this is where the big companies come to go ahead and get their products tested. Now if I scroll down here on the home page, I'll just show you a couple of companies who this Userlytics work with. But if I scroll down here, where has it gone? Keep coming down here. You can see here, these are some of the clients who they've worked with. So you can see on here we've got Microsoft, Google, American Airlines, Philips, L'Oreal. These are all really big companies. So what happens on here is these companies come over to Userlytics, and what they do is, whether they've got a new website or a new app or a new product that they want testing before they launch it onto the market. So they will come onto this website here, they will give all of the information to Userlytics, and then basically what happens here is you're signing up to become a tester, and then once you've signed up you will get access to go ahead and test these websites and these apps, and basically just go ahead and give feedback so that these companies here can go away, take your feedback and tweak and test their website or their app before they go ahead and launch it onto the marketplace. Now if I scroll up to the top here, I'll just show you this. So this is on the front here, this is basically an example of how this works. So you get given a website or an app that you need to go ahead and visit, and then you see down here on the left hand side you get given instructions or questions which you will be basically answering on your feedback. So you're just basically giving some really simple feedback on here. Now the page you want to be looking for is this one here at the top right where it says test the login. You want this one here where it says sign up. Now let me go over to this page and I'll show you this sign up page, but it's really simple. So scroll up here and we'll walk through exactly what you need. So you get paid to test websites and apps, and it's a really simple three-step process. So you register and earn money from here. You're going to go and interact with a web or mobile app, give some feedback, and then you get paid via PayPal. And you can see here these are the amounts of money that you can earn, paid up to $90. Now if I scroll down here, basically how you sign up, it's really simple. You put in your email, click on sign up, confirm that you're over 16 years of age and agree to the terms and use, and then what will happen is they send a password over to your email. Now if I scroll down here a little bit further, I'll show you this so you can see here what countries can you test from. You can see on here they've got a lot of testers from Europe, North America, but they're also basically they've got tests available worldwide, so you can go ahead and sign for this if you will, basically anywhere in the world. Now here, what kind of software or hardware do I need? This is, you've got two options basically. You can go ahead and sign up with a desktop, so a laptop or a computer, or a mobile phone. And it tells you on here exactly what you need. So you've got the operating system on here. It's just all standard stuff really. So you can see on here a browser program, so Google, Chrome, Firefox, etc. You need a microphone, but in terms of a microphone and all the stuff that you need on here, you'll have this built into your computer or your laptop. And on the right hand side here, again, it's exactly the same for your phone. Mobile phone available, so you've got to have Android or iPhone with this here says above 5, and on your iPhone it needs to be iOS 10 or higher. And it's microphone. Some tests it says on here you need to use your camera, but they're pretty much both the same. So if you scroll down here, this is the whole process. You literally come over to this website here and you click on here, sign up, and go through and input your details. There's also an app available, so you can go ahead and check this out on the Google Play and the App Store. I'll quickly show you how this looks. come here over onto the Google Play Store. But this is the app, so you go ahead and you download the app. It looks exactly like this. Just scroll through. So on here, once you download the app, they send you a code, a unique code, which goes over to your email, and then you just simply come ahead and paste that in here. And then once you've done that, you'll start getting invites to go ahead and trial and test new products, new websites, new apps. Now, if I go back over here, let me go back over here, I'll show you some examples of this so you can go and see this. So this is on the examples page. Now, if I scroll down the page here, you can go ahead and see all of these different people on here and just basically examples of tests. And this is what you would be doing. So you can see on here, you've got this lady here, she's going ahead and testing out an airline booking system. So before they went ahead and put this system live, they come over to Userlytics, they get people to trial and test it, and then you get paid for doing so and giving your feedback. So, and you can go ahead and press play on any of these. So I won't press play because it'll just start lagging the recording, but you can see we've got an airline booking over here, we've got someone testing out the maps feature over on Walmart, you've got someone here testing out what's that, insurance website, and there's many more on here, so you can go ahead and check these out. There's also another thing over on the page which I quite liked, which was this one. Hang on, not this one. This one here. They also, here, there it is. You can go ahead, they actually did an example, so you can go ahead and check out these examples of a case study that they did with Airbnb. They've also got another case study over here with the company Kickstarter, so again you can go ahead and have a look at the Kickstarter examples, and you've got two different versions, so you've got the desktop and then you've also got the mobile example on here. And one last thing to share with you on here, they've got lots of different features to help you out. So if you go over to the Facebook page, here you can see on here on the Facebook page they've got lots of different videos on here, so you can see here how to launch a Userlytics test on desktop, and there's many more of these videos that are available over on the Facebook page, just basically walking you through the entire process of what you need to do, how to do it, getting started, etc, etc. It's really simple, it's really easy, and the fact that it's available worldwide means absolutely everybody can go ahead and get signed up with this. So that is pretty much today's video. It's called Userlytics. All you need is a desktop or a mobile phone, and you can basically start earning some money with this website here. So I'll drop links to everything I've mentioned down below for you. If you've got any questions, let me know. But thanks for watching, and I shall see you tomorrow.